Rolls key with the Arctic white leather used by Rolls-Royce themselves. Wow. Yep. Suicide rear doors. Pull this. There you go. Can someone close the door, please? Wait, we have a button. We have tables. It's time to head to the rear seats of the new Ghost. YouTube, what's up, and welcome back to a very special Inside series. This is the new 2021 Rolls-Royce Ghost in Arctic white. You already saw the Ghost with my drive-thru in the McDonald's. However, today we're gonna have a look at all the exterior details and of course, in this case, Arctic white interior. Hey, don't be confused, this ain't no facelift. This is the second generation of the Rolls-Royce Ghost. With the first gen being, of course, the first ever new model, the Ghost for Rolls-Royce. This is now, well, in my eyes, way more perfection. It's more sharp, more modern. And what I also love is the rear line of the sedan. Got that hints of a coupe. I hear ya. Rolls-Royce and limousine, you want to be driven in. But of course, do not underestimate the Ghost. It's a very, very nice car to drive it yourself as well. If you're here for the first time, please tap the subscribe button and the bell notification. In that way you won't miss any of my new videos. Rolls-Royce Ghost 2021, the new generation. Let's first start on the beautiful aggressive front design. So first of all, we have a total new design of the grille. Still the metal grille. Camera integrated in the front. The badge you want to drive, Rolls-Royce. Of course here the Spirit of Ecstasy, all chromed out. Here below we got the sensors for the driving assistance. We know this sensor from BMW, of course, the mother company sharing technology together. And then down here, just like with the Cullinan, we have these aggressive sharp lines here on the side below the headlights. Look at how sharp they have designed the headlights now. Very sharp, very edgy. Day driving lights here. Of course we have laser lights, and on the inside of the headlight you can see there the Rolls-Royce logo. So a combination of Arctic white with chrome. Down here in splitter also chrome combinations. Yeah, this is a very, very royalty car. So front, of course, huge engine bay. Then we continue to the side. So first of all we see the coach line, hand painted all over the car, a manual process. Okay, let's have a look at the wheels. Got two-tone combinations of wheels, well, mostly beautiful chrome. You got the center logo of the Rolls-Royce staying vertical like this while driving. You got steel discs with black calipers. These are winter tires, by the way, and just give you an idea, Rolls-Royce tires 255, 45, 20-inch for the front winter wheels. Of course, here on the side the Rolls-Royce badge with a little LED. Okay, so these are the side mirrors of the Ghost. Pretty huge. Of course, down here, camera, part of the whole 3D camera. So yes, the new Rolls has the whole bird eye view camera system. Okay, the limousine look, profile look. The whole window trim is in chrome, and actually look at how thick this is. I have never seen such a thick window trim before. Privacy glass in the rear, and the door handles here centered because we have the Rolls-Royce doors. The rear doors open from the other side, nicknamed suicide doors. Rear wheels, let's have a look. Again, those very beautiful chrome combos. I love this look. And measures in the rear of 255, 45, 20-inch. So we got the same measures in the rear wheels. There we go, the rear of the new Ghost. Look at how smooth they've redesigned that whole rear if you compare it to the old one. Okay, let's start on the rear lights. Let's see the process of the design of the rear lights. So first of all, we have that chrome trim. So we got a chrome trim all around the whole rear LED. And on the inside we got red, satin red, and then there again chrome. So yeah, we got different kind of layers on the whole finishing of the rear LED. Got the typical Rolls kind of look, high position but still smooth on its lines. Here we've got a nice chrome bar. Of course, Rolls-Royce logo here in the center and the camera. Ghost 2021. Well, where it's mostly and all about is the inside. Let's get in. But of course, we're first going to have a look at the rear trunk and of course the engine bay. And the engine bay is an interesting one. Yeah, this is sick. First, the engine bay. Normally it was BMW produced, but now produced by Rolls-Royce themselves. A 6.75 liter V12 bi-turbo engine, Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, Goodwood, England. Producing 563 horses, if I'm correct. Beautiful engine bay. Deeply positioned, of course, all for its driving dynamics and smoothness. Okay, rear trunk. Of course, we control the trunk from the inside as well from the outside. Let's have a look. Trunk space, new Ghost. Yep, huge. The trunk of the Ghost is huge. This is very, very deep. Let me give you some more lights. There you go. So yeah, major space here for the rear trunk. Of course, we can close this. Fully automatic with the buttons. Here you can see the whole system of the Spirit of Ecstasy. So when it's folded in, it looks like this, and this is from the exterior the view. And of course this pops up. Let's see. Ah, now it's folded back. Okay, it's time to get in. Arctic white and Arctic white interior. So first of all, you have huge door handles. Very comfy, very firm. And then as a first, what do we have? We have a full Arctic white interior. We got satin wood here. So the first top layer is Arctic white, then we got the wooden satin layer. Then here we have that white and Arctic again. And in 3D printed, the Spirit of Ecstasy in the doors on the leather. This is the interior door handle, with there behind an LED enlightened at night. The bespoke audio, laser produced. This is very, very nice to see. Window controls, and down here again satin wood, and the controls for your memory of your seats, and of course massage function. Look at this, we have purple stitching, black leather here. So yeah, all finished in leather. And then the door sills, chrome door sill, of course, Ghost emblem, LED enlightened. This is lamb's wool. Chrome controls for the electric adjustable seats. Entry test Ghost 2021. So comfortable. So if you're behind the wheel of the new Ghost and the door is fully open, you can't reach the door. But Rolls has this option. If you pull this, there you go. Welcome inside. In the new Ghost, this is your point of view with an Arctic white interior and satin wood inlay. Classic, timeless. Okay, let's fire this engine up because it's becoming a bit warm here. So, to start the car up, we have the start stop button here on the left side, where you also have the light switches and the panel brightness scroll bar. Of course, this is the button for all the protection systems and your parking lights as well. And that's all housed and finished with Arctic white leather and of course chrome. And this is metal, not plastic, guys. Then on top we got the satin wood again, and then we have the first left vent with those nice pins to close or open the vent. This is all metal, and again, like in the Cullinan, some serious metal finishing. And then behind the, let's say, the unit of the cockpit, we have leather, so it's positioned in the leather. So it's a part that's positioned inside of the leather dash of the driver. And then here on top we got again purple stitching, Arctic white, and then black on top. So we got two kind of color layers. Of course we have the heads-up display unit there, center speaker unit of the bespoke audio. And actually, so for this whole new model, we have one big unit for the dash, and that's pretty classy but modern at the same time, but not too high tech. Steering wheel, well, we have the same Rolls-Royce steering wheel, very classic, very huge buttons to control, and well, yeah, very Rolls-Royce. It's in your face, you can't miss this. I mean, look at the scroll button here. This is huge. This is one of the biggest scroll buttons I've ever touched in a car before. Leather, satin black and chrome combined. And this is, well, yeah, this is, I can't explain this. This is such smooth leather. As well, here we have satin wood. Okay, the speedometers, fully digital, all digital, very high end with nice brightness. And they have a trim of chrome, so you still have a bit of a feeling of an analog speedometer. Okay, center console. So first of all here, well, we still have BMW's iDrive system, but then with a team of Rolls-Royce, of course. Let's go to the Spirit of Ecstasy. You can lower the Spirit of Ecstasy here on your iDrive, or put it automatically, or raise it whenever you want. Two vents. I love this. In the center with the nice pins as well. This is the volume button. For the radio, this is all housed in that nice satin wood. And yes, this is real wood, guys, real wood. Chrome buttons, preset buttons for the radio, and the climate system of the Rolls-Royce. 2 zones, of course, and no digital meter. We have the Rolls-Royce discs to mix your temperatures. Yeah, pretty special. Off, soft, medium, high, or max. And of course here, heated and vented seats with those nice LEDs. The steering wheel heating, of course, as well. Okay, lower part of the center console, and by the way, what's white here is all leather, and don't forget, this is all leather, all that Arctic leather. So lower part of the center console, again, satin wood, 2 cup holders, all chromed out with some trims. Here in the center we have the control for the sat-nav, aka the iDrive button, BMW names it, with the Spirit of Ecstasy here in the center. Preset buttons for your sat-nav, controls to close the doors automatically. Armrest, very perfectly positioned in a Rolls-Royce. Come on, it needs to be perfect, and it is. A lot of personal items here. This is, by the way, the key, so you have an idea. This is the Rolls key with the Arctic white leather on the rear side of the key. USB-C input, and here some more little spaces for your private items. Okay guys, the front section. Yeah, that's this Rolls-Royce level. It's crazy on leather finishing. It's crazy and classic on design. It's not high tech. I mean, an S-Class is more high tech. Even a Bentley has some more high tech features. But hey, this is Rolls-Royce. This is more timeless. A Rolls-Royce has one of the best lights of the interior, and I'm not meaning ambient lighting, but I'm meaning just the interior light. Such a smooth light diffuse. It's perfect. Perfect. Okay, my seat is in my driving position and my length is 1.77 meters. So let me close the driver door here by smoothly doing this. There you go. And let's open the suicide rear doors. Here we go. So, door process for the rear doors. Again, just like the front door, we got those nice artic layer letters with that satin wood again. And also here, 3D engraved Spirit of Ecstasy and the bespoke audio. Of course, shorter doors than the front doors. USB-C here as well. There you go, USB-C. And down here, very cheeky purple stitching. This is artwork. This is very artwork. Okay, it's time to head to the rear seats of the new Ghost. Entry test. Here we go. You know, it's so easy because of the opening of the suicide doors. It's super easy to get in. Can someone close the door, please? Wait, we have a button. Thank you very much. In the new Ghost, this is your point of view if you're the rear passenger. I mean, look at this armrest. Fully electric adjustable seats. That's satin wood again. And here we have, yep, we have the fridge with crystal glasses. Cheers, mate. So yeah, we have the fridge, artic leather. And I don't know if you can see it, but we have the star headliner. And of course, we have tables, satin wood. And of course, the entertainment system for your rear passengers. Well, this is the average fuel consumption of the V12. So yeah, tables, entertainment screen, all beautiful black leather. Look at the housing of the seat belt, all chromed out. In the headrest, of course, Rolls-Royce engraved. Star headliner, and again here we have those beautiful lights with that nice diffuse. 2 vents for the rear passengers as well. And down here the discs to mix your air. By the way, we can control the rear entertainment system with these 2 buttons. Wow. The new Ghost 2021. Alright guys, I hope you have some more feeling and more looks on the new Ghost with this beautiful artic white spec. If you want to see some more content on my cars I'm testing, always have a look at my Instagram because I'm always posting my stories, my raw stuff behind the scenes, and of course the high-res photos of the beautiful cars, including this crazy Ghost. Don't forget to hit the sub button and I will see you definitely on the next video.